Alright, so let's open up Edgecam and do the top of the box. So click New Milling Part. I already have it loaded. And then we're going to open our top of box, whatever you've named it. So it should come in here like this. Yours might have the curve on it depending on if you didn't do the Edgecam yet. It's okay if it does. Just right click and drag so you can see it. Sometimes you get those windows popping up. We're going to auto stock. So my auto stock is over here. I'm not sure where yours is going to be. It might be here, but make sure it looks like this little box. And auto stock should be selected. Click OK. And now we need to click Geometry, Create CPL. This is the most important thing that you do through 3 points. So make sure you pay attention carefully to the orientation we do this. So if we're looking at the block this way, this bottom left corner here, you have to have the blue box around this corner. Don't just click anywhere. Boom, there it is. 1, 2, 3, and then back to the start, 4. If you don't do it that way, it's not going to work. This green arrow should be going up along this axis, the red arrow this axis, and the blue arrow up in the Z direction. Then we are good. Now let's go to Feature Finder. It's little binoculars, and all of these should be selected. It's defaulted in good shape, so click OK. And it found my different features, and it found that 2D pocket, which is what I want. So now let's go click to Manufacture Mode, and everything is defaulted correct, so we click OK. Then go to Roughing, and I'm going to select my 2D pocket, click it once, hit the Enter key 1 time, 2 times. So we have this set to Optimized is fine for this. 50% step over. Let's go to Tooling. Yours might say Climb or Conventional. I like to always set things as optimized. And then go to Tooling. We're going to have it set to 40, plunge feed rate of 20, speed 5,000, diameter 0.25. So pause this if you need to get those numbers. Make sure you enlarge the screen so you can see them. And then the depth is, cut increment is 0.15. And let's click OK. And so it created a tool path. Let's do a quick simulate. And we click play, and there we go, milling it all out. I'm going to speed this up so it finished it. There it is, it's done. So now if you hit print screen, you can copy this and then press Control V to paste this in your Google Doc assignment. Now I'm going to, so make sure you do that now because I'm going to close this up for your project. And then the next step is to generate the code. So you're going to want to take a screenshot on that previous screen. So let's generate the code. We don't need to do anything here, just click OK. It's already exists, so I'm going to overwrite it, that's fine. So put your name in here. So my name is Bob Hope. And you want to get rid of the tool chain. So I'm going to highlight this just like we did in the other one and delete that. Hit the delete key. There's only one operation, so there should only be one tool change in here. If we scroll through, you're not going to find another green section. This code is quite a bit shorter and it goes quite a bit faster. So that should be all you need to do. Then you'll save it and close it up, and then you're ready to run it in the CNC program.